Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great week here at MightyOxTrading. Volatility in the markets with Trump's return. You see that huge candle last night during Asia. High 60.70, low 59.94, so it's 76 points in range on the ES and Q 746, all the way down to 377. So it's like 370 points in range. Obviously, things have calmed down since then, but you never know when he's going to start talking or tweeting and signing things again. Kappa, about 140 ticks of range there. Ultra Bond, a little over a point in range. Gold, 23 points in range. Crude oil, dipping dots. Who do I know? Oh, I do. Looks like just about 2 points in range. You see natural gas coming down as well. Bitcoin exploding up to 104K. Although it's down from, I think that it hit 109K yesterday. So, and that's always should stay in there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We are trading top step evaluations today. We are coffee trading. We're doing 3 counts at a time and hope we don't blow 3 counts at a time. Starting off with one mini, see if we can build a cushion, but we'll go down the micros if we start getting in a little trouble. Where's everybody at this morning? Good morning, Amelia. Still trying to rise back up here. Watched this like 10 minutes ago. Didn't take it. Should have. Should have. Should have. Could have. Would have. Would have got us 10 points. We're just kind of hemming and hawing. Good morning, Mr. G. I bet you it's not as chilly as it is here. Right now, it's currently -4 here in central Illinois. The high for today is 4 degrees. I don't really have a bias. I mean, it's recovering from the Trump drop of last night. Well, looks like it might want to continue up. Yep. Current conditions at Decatur Airport. Fair, -4. Wind chill is -21. Today, high of 4. Uh, Honestly, I mean, 'cause this house is very badly insulated, so this isn't a good house for winter weather. But given a good house, I like winter weather. I would love to live someplace where it snows 6 months out of the year. 55% humidity, G. Good morning, Speed Racer. How are you? How was your weekend? Yeah. Yeah. I don't think they have the Wi-Fi up at the North Pole. Yeah, there we go. My topstep window's working. Yay. Good. So I'll be able to show my screen again. We're trading some top stack evals today. We're going to copy trade them and see how that goes. And Q hits 21,700. So the high of the overnight was 746. Morning, Chris. How are you? How was your weekend? Quick dip down. We have no news today. Um, yeah, traded my Bow and Ox funded a little bit yesterday. I lost and then I gained and I lost and ended up back where I started basically. Thought about taking that purple. It's kind of I don't know if it's gonna bounce or bend the band. Looks like it's bending it. So far, the not taking it was the better idea. Let's see if it what it wants to do here. We do have Canadian CPI coming up in about 15 minutes. It's the only news of the day. But, and this is not political, when Trump's in the office, you have to be on guard for him talking at any particular time. Okay, folks, if you plan on enjoying the stream today, I'd appreciate if you go that like button for me. Let others know you enjoy it. Might recommend it to other people. Blue candle pop there would have worked, looks like, although we were really slowed down. ATR's fallen under 5. A purple candle back down, maybe. Or maybe not. So I did take the short there. I'm looking for small gains at this point. Oop, looks like it's going to bounce on me instead. Yeah, take. We're out. Okay, so that didn't work, of course. Looks like it wants to continue up. Stupid of me to take it against that EMA there. I thought it was going to break the EMA, but It didn't. Better strategy would take the green candle up, obviously. Still kind of grinding up. And back down. Yeah, I think it's interesting, G, that that's the stock is down, the Trump coin is well, it doesn't look like Trump coin has much volume at all. It's trying to recover, I guess. Slow morning so far. Less than 10 of you here. Oops, look at that pop up there. kind of hanging here. Morning, John. How was your weekend? Seeing a slow grind up, trying to recover everything from that huge drop last night. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Hanging here. Yeah, I was shocked by that Lions game, John. I mean, it's still going to be a tough game, but I feel much better the Eagles facing the Commanders than I do than facing the Lions. Give me 1 second, then I'll post up your Twitter link there, G. I want that entry. Here's Mr. G's Twitter. Lots of good information he posts on that Twitter account, or X, or whatever you want to call it. It's always going to be Twitter to me. So, yeah, purple candle would have worked, but yeah, dropping, dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot. Yeah, I think Bitcoin and other the crypto markets are going to take off though, because the new SEC chair is favorable for crypto. I think crypto is going to be big. Okay? Yeah, I thought, It was interesting that he decided to launch a meet. Well, the entire family. I mean, but I mean, it's gonna be an interesting, time in the markets. Good morning, CVR. How are you? Wow, Mr. G, I never thought I'd see the phrase hawk tawing in a sentence. Canadian CPI in a couple minutes. I don't think that moves the market, but we'll watch it just in case. It could be, it could be a market mover if something, especially with the potential of 25% tariffs. There's our news. Little blue pop from Pasadena. Should have took the little blue pop Pasadena. Oh, no, I'm not reading the market real well here. Well, bring us our volatility back. candle. It's like a candle in the wind. Took the long. Take it off there. 4.75 points. Small bites right now. We are trading 3 top step evals. We are copy trading. Why am I talking about myself as a we? I am trading 3 top step accounts, copy trading evals to get back up to 5 funded accounts. I should have kept it. I could have got more out of that trade, but that's okay. Went with what the ATR was said and all that. So, yo, Reggie. What's up, my friend? How are you? Doing good. Hey, JJR. Good to see you. How was your weekend? Purple candle coming back down. Everyone piling in now. Reminder to gore that like button for me when you have a chance. I forgot to replace the bell over the weekend. I still got Christmas bells. Crap. I need to do that. Mellow is good. They call it mellow. Yeah. Coming down again. Nice job, JJ. Last night would have been the time to trade. Look at the 5 minute chart from last night. Let's turn back time. 5 minute chart, and this was beautiful. And I didn't, obviously I wasn't paying attention. This purple candle would have led to this. And then of course this green candle would have led to that. This was a from 721 all the way down to 370, so a 250 point drop. A slow recovery since. Yeah, I was doing some cleaning and organizing while that was going on. John DeFore, have you gotten any trading in yet this morning? If anyone's into the direct to funded thing, Chick Tick Traders flash sale ends today. $250 off their 100K direct to funded account. Uh, it's like the cheapest direct to funded option right now. Ends tonight. It says ends Monday, but it was actually tonight. So get in on that if you like the whole direct to funded thing. Link is in the video description below. Nice, John. Just kind of sitting here waiting. About 40, little more than 45 minutes till the bell. We are just sideways right now. Yep, I agree. Surprised at how dead it is right now. It's always fun to see a celeb taking a bat in spring training. I remember Garth Brooks has done it once or twice. No one's done it recently, though. Need to bring fun back to the game and need to do more of that. There we go, John. There's another one for our podcast of traders talking baseball. Morning, Platt. Yes and no, Platt. I agree. Not much in the way of scheduled news, but as we saw last night, anytime Trump talks, it can be very volatile. Speed Racer, because of, wow, what just popped there? Well, now we're getting some movement. So I understand the Red Sox based on your location. How'd you become a Dodgers fan? There you go, Speed Racer. Ask and you shall receive, or who? No, JJR. There you go, JJR. Ask and you shall receive. There's your ATR boost. Those of you just joining us, I am trading 3 topstep accounts, evaluations to try and get back up to 5 funded. Now, copy trading, which I don't normally do. Morning, JC. How are you? Yeah, Vince Scully was definitely a good announcer. I was a Dodgers fan. I shouldn't say fan. I followed the Dodgers for a few years once the Phillies traded Chase Utley to the Dodgers. Chase is one of my all-time favorite players, and I was quite distraught when the Phillies actually traded him. I felt like he should have been another Mike Schmidt that spent his entire career with the Phillies. But yeah, I followed the Dodgers during Utley's years there. You know, I made MLB TV, so when the Phillies game would end, with the Dodgers being on the West Coast, I would switch over to the Dodger game and watch them. Not so much anymore, but when Utley was there. Doing good, JC. Thank you. John, that's a tough question. I mean, I'm biased, obviously. I want to say yes. I don't think he's going to get there. But yet, seeing some of the players at the I forgot the name of it now, but what used to be the Veterans Committee is putting in the Hall of Fame now. I think it's almost definite yes. Yeah, I agree with that. And see, the thing is, I almost feel that Jimmy Rollins has a better Hall of Fame case than Chase Utley does. Purple candle, but above the 9. Let's see how it finishes up here in the next 10 seconds. Iffy spot for me, so I didn't take it. Yeah, Rollins was a short step, yeah. Rollins and Utley with a double play combination for the uh, 2008 World Championship. It's kind of amazing. For a while, it looked like that team would have four Hall of Famers at least. Utley, Rollins, Ryan Howard, and Cole Hamels. And now there's a good chance that none of those four will make it. That team might end up with zero Hall of Famers besides, you know, I forget if there's anyone else that played on that team that was like a marginal player that had a great career elsewhere. Well, Santander signed with the Jays yesterday. There's a little movement. I thought it was being reported as final. Yeah, it says they're in agreement. 5 years and more than $90 million, but a lot of it's deferred. Yeah, Bregman and Alonso. Purple candle. Cute little purple candle too. We're short. Not going for big moves here. Or maybe we'll go for big moves. Up out there for 6 points. And we're profitable now. We're green on the day by 56 bucks on 3 top step accounts. I'm trying to bounce here, but I'm not sure it's going to succeed. Yeah, I did. Remember that pop? I should have taken the blue candle back up, but top of the hour coming up here. Top of the hour can sometimes do weird things, so I don't necessarily like being in trades. Although I will say that I don't look at the top of the hour thing when I'm back testing this stuff. Hey, Greg, glad you didn't get stopped out. Rising up, it's trying to get back up to the highs of last night, 746. So it's getting close. It's making a run. Okay, reminder here. So we enter our second hour. Would mind goring that like button. Let everyone know you enjoying today's stream. And then Q continues to rise up. I see NQ rising. Maybe pulling back or trying to pull back again. That was actually my trigger, little trigger there, but that's okay. Just a few minutes. Well, 26 minutes till the bell. Technically, that was a trigger to go long, but I'm not gonna take it. By the way, in case you missed it, on the Discord, we are giving away 150K take profit trader evaluation. Winners picked tomorrow, so you need to get in on that if you haven't. And quick drop. Excellent job, G. Nice having you here. I like to hear about your trading. A quick pop. Not take that boot candle. I feel I'm going to regret that. Morning, RJ. I need to apologize to you. I realized late last night that I didn't email you about those supplements. I will make sure that gets done today. And back down. Y'all saw my supplement drawer, you would think I'm absolutely insane. This is a purple candle that technically I should have taken. It was in my. It's a trigger for me. Let's see though if it ends up being anything. I admit I don't have a good feel for the market this morning. Great. Now I gotta tell Ace that I killed RJ. Wonder if me or Ace was in as well. I did take the short there. I'm already regretting it, but let's see what happens. Yep, I'm gonna regret it. Maybe, maybe not. So hit that EMA down there. Come on. Struggling to get through that EMA, so we're gonna get out there for a very small gain, 1 point gain. And of course, now it breaks it. Morning, Ace. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you, gentlemen? Remember, and this is serious, everybody. When I say this, be careful, be cognizant of when Trump might be speaking at or signing things or doing anything. We saw last night what happens, and you're gonna have to be careful of that. Make sure you're using emergency stops or regular stops or whatever. Last night we dropped 250 points in a very short time on the NQ. ES dropped 57 points on an hourly candle. So just because there's no news on the actual calendar, at least at the start, we could be seeing increased volatility when Trump's speaking. I I'm not even sure what triggered it, honestly. I mean, he was signing executive orders. Um, there was nothing about tariffs. I know that there was stuff about uh, drug cartels and all that, saying he wouldn't rule out invading. Well, I shouldn't say invading. Putting the military down in Mexico. So that forget. There was a bunch of other things. Let's see if there's any that uh, pulled out of the wealth. And again, nope. This is no political talk. Just announcing facts of what he signed. Pulled out of the World Health Organization. Pulled out of the Paris Climate Accord. Called drug cartels terrorist organizations. Renamed the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America, and a bunch of other things. There was really nothing that I see that would be economic based. I don't, so I don't know. But as he was talking, the market was dropping. Yeah, locking the border. Yeah, it's -4 down here, Crypt. -21 with the wind chill. It's pretty brutal. So now, and I mean, I have no idea when he plans on doing the whole tariff stuff. But I guarantee when he does, and that starts getting announced, that will shake the markets. But I don't know if that's going to be like today or this week or not till next month or no idea. We're about 12 minutes to the bell. I'm getting a blue candle there. Not the bell there. Boom. And we're long. Oh, well, that long didn't work out well. I'm back to red. Okay, didn't even have a chance to show it. So that blue candle did not work. That was a bad blue candle, honestly. Should have taken it. It was showing downward motion, and that was a quick whip down. There's only women on Venus. Men are from Mars, and women are from Venus. I should have taken the purple candle and didn't even think about it, but Wow, should have definitely taken the purple candle. Got to get better at that. ATR is still under 5. I have to decide if I want to move the 5 micros after the bell or not. Probably will. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Anyone do anything fun over the long weekend? Nice, Black. Oh, cool. Nice. Feel good to get back in the gym, Platt? Yeah, I'm very weak too. I bought a hand grip uh, tester, the You test the strength of your hand grip, and it tells me I'm weak. I'm gonna be exercising that. I'm gonna try and start doing some. I got a couple of dumbbells that I'm gonna start lifting. Wow, RJ. There's a pop. That was a 14-point pop. We head towards the bell. Whoosh. You know that. Yeah, I guess I need to find a pop sound since I have a whoosh sound. Oh, push right back down. We're getting a little volatile here. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go down to 5 micros to be safe after the bell, since we're showing some movement here. Ready, guys? 35 seconds until the bell. Ding, 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 ding. So I didn't take that first purple candle, but obviously I should have. Wowzers. It's a little volatile. Yeah, it's a good question. Where is USC Sun? She posted on the Discord last night, so she's still alive as at least as of last night. Falling the market, not USC Sun. Maybe she found an oil trader she likes to hang out with. Pops back up. Oh, oh yeah. I totally the holiday messed me up. Glad you reminded me, Ace, and glad you remembered. Me and my garbage company are gonna fight. Well, actually, my landlord's fighting with them. They haven't picked up my recyclables now in 9 weeks. Well, that's the problem is I create a lot of recyclable trash. So my trash can isn't big enough for the trash that's created here if all the recyclables go to trash. So I'm at a trash debt right now. I have like four large trash bags on my porch that because they didn't pick up on the 6th because of weather. Then they skipped me last week on trash and recyclables. Finally picked up this week, but they left a bag in the can. So it's like I'm at a trash debt right now. I have no room for it. Well, it's good right now that like it's negative degrees, so everything's frozen. But yeah, it could start to smell if it's Now my landlord did come over and grab two bags to take home and put it in his can because he has an extra can. But and he'll probably do the same thing this weekend. But it's just ridiculous. We have like the worst trash company. It really did. I mean, and it does because they're literally they're big 55-gallon black trash bags filled with smaller bags of trash. Right now we are choppy. There's nothing worth taking here. Yeah, it's a contract. I mean, it's waste management, and they have a contract with the city. Big drop. 20. That's a 21-point candle. 29-point candle. And what's really frustrating is I pay to recycle. I mean, it's not a lot. It's like $2 a month, but I feel like I shouldn't have to pay to recycle in the first place. The fact that I am paying and they're still not picking up is even more frustrating. Yeah, it's doing much more of a dump here, G. We see NQ down to 638. Yeah, I saw that story about someone that threw an Apple AirTag into the recyclables to see where they ended up, and ended up just in the regular trash. Blue candle, do I? Yeah, I'm gonna take it if it holds. Didn't hold. Small little green candle, don't want that. Yeah, they don't get out of the truck. They just need to lift the can, so it doesn't even make sense. They wouldn't pick up. It's not like they have to do any effort. Wow, we've trash talked now for like 10 minutes. Meanwhile, the market is down to 616 on NQ. ES has fallen to, I can't see the screen. I need my more screens. 60.55. All right, Ace. Uh, uh, yep. NQ's broken 600. Quite the fall here. Sad I missed it. I mean, it gave me a signal. It was the opening candle. Well, no, it wasn't. It was there, but it did bounce up. So, I mean, it would have been tough to take. The 5 minute chart would have been perfect, though. There's USC. Oh, so there you go, guys. She couldn't hear that we were talking about her. Took a long here. Got to get above the 9. And struggling to do that. Ah, yay! How you doing, USC? Looks like I'm going to take the loss here. I guess technically my stop should be here, so we're going to take a big loss if it hits. Sucks. Probably should have got out in the first red candle. Let's see if it bounces. It bounced. We're stopping below that last candle. There we go. It's trying to push up through the 9. Well, to get to the 20, which is at 640, we're in at 619. There we go. Ah, they just got out. Ah, it's giving it all back. Oh, coming back though. Nope, giving it all back. Ah, dang it, got one tick. Dang it. That was $100 trade, and give me another entry, maybe. Did. Go long again. They fail again. Nice job, RJ. Well, can't get through that 20 EMA. Dang. Stopped. And back up. So what did I do wrong there? Did I stop at the right place? And that's not, no. I didn't have my stop at the right place. Oh no, I moved my stop. Duh, yeah, I would have got stopped that anyway. Never mind. It's working now anyway. Yeah, Dow's running nicely there. Still going. So I got stopped out twice, and now it's going the direction that I was expecting the entire time. Big old blue candle there on the 5. I didn't get a 5 minute. I wanted to get a take profit trader and start trading the 5 minute. 55.5 minute candle here. be. I don't know if I trust this purple right here. Didn't take her. Now we're choppy. How's everyone else doing? Oh, whoa! That qualifies as a. That's a 50-point 30-second candle. Okay, did Trump just say something? Or what just happened there? I don't see anything. Have a great day, Chris. We'll see you tomorrow. Blue candle. ATR is now up to 20. How's that for you, JJR? Chicken out on that blue candle, and that was a mistake, obviously. Remember not to fart. Oh, how bad, JJ? That's not horrible. You can get that back. Wow, what, Amelia? Uh, oh, wow. Are you okay? Okay, good. Worried there for a second. Nice job. Nice, Ace. I had a negative 21 wind chill this morning here, RJ. Pulls down. I probably should have taken that purple. I'm getting a little gun shy. Hey, Tio, how you doing? Sorry, I was distracted for a minute. That was definitely a good setup right there with that purple, and it would have led me to the promised land. And I'm slightly distracted here. It's kind of choppy now. We're having a major debate about pineapple pizza, or pineapple on pizza. I told them yesterday morning, yeah, because there's some political talk going on that there's three things that I see destroy great online communities. Talk about politics, talk about religion, and talk about whether pineapple belongs on pizza. And that just continued, that discussion about pizza and pineapple just kind of went on throughout the entire day. And somehow ranch even got thrown into it. So rising up here trying to. Pulls back. Oh wow, guys. I'm not a fan of pineapple. I just it's you know whether on pizza or not on pizza. I'm just not a pineapple fan. We're short. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Boom. Boom. 30 points. No, 20 points. It was 20 points? 20 points. No, 30 points. Yeah, 30. I was right. 30-point play. We're up 169.90 on 3 Top Step accounts now since I'm copy trading. Wow, RJ. Do we know this from experience? Wow, it went another 30 points after that. Still falling down to 21,543. Dow falling. ES falling. Again, I have to ask. Never mind. Sure, sure. Still falling here. Went long on that blue candle. Iffy. I don't think I like it. Let's see what happens. And they end up giving back that last trade. Come on, give me green. Give me green. Give me green. Give me green. Give me green, not Jimmy Dean. Ah, stopped out. Now we're green by 21-29. Dang it. Gonna try again with that blue candle, maybe. Yep, we're gonna try again. Can it get through that 9? There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, though. Keep it going. We're out there. That's another nice trade. 46 to 65, so 19 points. Now we're up to wow. That's impressive. I'm up $200 to the penny. I mean, 200.00. That's not easy to do when you're figuring in commissions and all that. To actually be exactly 200. FYI, none of you are being invited anymore to the Mighty Ox meetup. I don't want to see any pineapples. Should have taken that blue candle. I didn't. That was another good one. It was touching the 9. Yeah, blue candle. That was another one I failed to take it, and darn it. Yeah, I cut my hair over the weekend. I accidentally cut it too short. Used the wrong guard, so I look scalped. But can't believe how much better my headset fits. The noise canceling is actually noise canceling now. The Mighty Ox Trading meetup will be scheduled for Antarctica. Yeah, someone even said like 20s, and I was like, that's a little bit to the extreme side. Yeah, yeah, I would agree 30s. Do they have internet there, Ace? Sounds like my kind of place. Except in the summertime, I don't like all the sun. Up, popping up again. So look at this. So this now recovered that entire move down, or almost that entire move down. I'll be wondering when I'm talking about the haircut. That's my very short hair. And that's me looking better with the cap. I I cut my own hair. I use a you know clippers with a guard. And I used the wrong guard. I didn't clip that hair, Ace. Oh wait. Um yeah, I got rid of all the hair. I see I hate trying to maintain a beard. So I end up growing the beard and then cutting it all off and letting it regrow. I hate shaving every day. So, once the beard starts getting unruly, I shave it all off and then I let it grow and kind of go in that cycle. But yeah, people are saying I look really young. Uh, Ace, this is Decatur, Illinois, ranked um, as the 31st most dangerous small city in the country. Um, Anyone that comes knocking on my door is probably going to have a weapon or STDs or both. Blue, purple, blue. I hate it when it does that. What does it think it is? Christmas lights? Coming back a little bit, JJR. I wonder how many people we chased out of here today with this conversation. Holy crap, they talk about pineapples. Still rising back up here. Interesting looking hourly candles. What's everything else doing quick? Gold has had a good day. Look at gold running. Ultraviolet's all yicky. Platt, you still here? Were you able to get anything out of the ultraviolet or any of the bonds today? Copper's rising. Crude's bouncing. Bitcoin, oh, Bitcoin's coming down. There you go, JJR. Keep eating away at it. 30 minutes left to go in the stream. We're up 200 bucks on 3 accounts. Looking for more. By the way, what everyone should smack me right now. As you can see, there's been like blue candles doing a can dance on the 9 EMA, and I didn't take any of them. It was like the Radio City Candlettes. Pulls down. Purple. Giving back on that purple candle there. Shouldn't have trusted it. Ooh. Benefit or stop. top of that last candle. Looks like it might want to come back down. Nope, stopped out. So we gave back $100. Ah, and there it goes. See, I should have left my stop where it was. Bounces right back up though. Wow, quite the bounce back up. And now it wants to entice me again. First you don't succeed. Try again. Not going for a lot. Just want my money back from that last trade. No, come on. Break that. Break that EMA. Break it. There we go. Target hit. We're back up and we're up. So over the last two trades, I actually gained $2.60. We're now up 202.60. And it's still coming down. So not my best trading today, but I am green. The goal for these top step evaluations, I like to get them done in like 10 days. So I need like an average of $300 a day. But if I can do them faster, I'll be happy with that too, obviously. Then the goal will be to get them to about $2,000 in profit. And then I'll start copy trading all five together. If you haven't yet, appreciate if you would gore that like button for me. Let everyone know you're enjoying the stream. They should come become part of the herd. Definitely careful, USA, but honestly, I have not heard any complaints about the Project X or Top Step X copy trader. Maybe I'm just not listening. It's not like I spent a lot of time on Top Steps Discord or anything. I don't. I haven't. I haven't been there in months. I mean, maybe I should look. Tradeify and MMFU is good too. Yeah, like Replicanto. I mean, that's the one you really got to be careful of. And well, Apex is just a white label of Replicanto. Let me go look, see. I haven't checked the follower accounts today, so let's see if they're. Oh wow, it's an interesting one. One follower account is at 190.10, so that's a $12 difference, and the other follower is at 182.60. That's a $20 difference. Wow, big difference in the fills. That's amazing. Pop in here. When did you read those, Tio? Nice little pop up here. This is, this was a trigger candle, though it's really hard to take a trigger candle that looks like that. So you missed the three amendments and two executive orders that were instituted last night. $2. I heard it's going to be a mini series. All right, JJR, continue that. Well, we're bleeding viewers. We're down to 13. All you swingers, you need to invite your friends. Again, two blue candles touching the 9, and I didn't take them. Or just a swinging. He doesn't do his podcast anymore. Oop, there's a move down. So I'm excited, guys. I just got word that my new computer setup will be built in a month. The weekend of February 22nd and 23rd. So that purple candle worked. Why didn't I take it? Oftentimes when a wick touches the 9 like that, it'll bounce up. And this one really didn't bounce up. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I'm going to be running two machines with at least 6 monitors. Um, the new machine going to be a i9 12400KS processor, 128 gigs of RAM, 4090 graphics card. And the second one is going to be is the one I have now. Same processor because I had to replace the processor last month, so I used the one that I already bought for the new computer. Nice bounce here. That was also a trigger that I didn't take. I gotta get better at this, and I'm getting better. But it has 64 gigs of RAM and a 4060 graphics card. So I'm gonna be running two very, very powerful computers to the point that we're gonna be drilling a hole in the floor to run a cord for one down to the basement. because they're too powerful to run off the same uh, breaker. I'm getting a 78-inch desk. You know, I don't normally spend money on myself, and I mean I really haven't had money to spend on myself. But even when I have money, I don't usually spend money on myself. So this is, like the most expensive thing I've ever bought. I bought all the components of it, and then the desk, and I'm going to be getting myself a new recliner too. And that's a necessity, honestly, because this one's giving out. I sink down, but this is, and honestly, this is going to last me years. To the point. I mean, my last computer that was built in early 2019, so 5 years. Yeah, I mean it's gonna have a 1600-watt power supply. The current computer is a 1000 watt, and that'll have a 1600 watt. Purple candle. Let's see. That a 10-point candle retreats at the end though. It makes it iffy. More wick than body. So I didn't take it. Wasn't touching the 9 either. So it would have. Yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty sure mine's dirty energy, unfortunately. I think there's some way to get on a clean energy thing, but I haven't figured that out yet. If I can ever figure it out, I would do it. And I mean, I don't waste a lot of electricity. Yeah, I leave the computer on, and computer's on, so that is a waste. I don't shut them down at night. But other than that, I mean, I have LED bulbs and everything, and heck, I barely ever use my electric oven. Who gave you permission to step away? Long. Boom. It bounces on the 9. Ouch. Come on. Don't be afraid of that 9. Break it. Nope. There you go. No. Yeah. That's what Ox like. No. Yeah. Yes, I'm trying to coax a candle. Ah! Fine, I'll get out for a small gain. And I'll watch it pop back up. So I got 2 points. Good. Well, Tio, you weren't here for 2 hours. And look at that. I should have stayed in. I'm trying to get a little bit of a balance on these new accounts, and I was trading a little scared, and that sucks because I could have got my full 30 points. Pulls back. That was not as profitable as the day I was hoping, but we're green by 218. That blue candle is iffy, but it looks like a lot of these iffy ones I should start taking. I want to tempt fate and take that blue candle. Nah, I'm not going to. Right into an EMA. Yeah. Good morning, MR. Unfortunately, you're arriving just as we're ending. How's your day been? Or just getting started? Oh. Oh, we whipped down again. Look at that. And we have reached up 218.90. So not bad, not as much as I wanted. Didn't take advantage of some good opportunities, unfortunately. But it was green. So hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time for some more great trading action. Have a great day, guys. See you then. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.